YouTube! TriStars again, back at it again, you know, TriStars. You are going on YouTube. I have good news, I have bad news. Well, not really bad news. I have not so good news and good news. Yeah, put it like that. Which one do I want to hear first? Not so good news or good news? I'm going to give you not so good news first.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Today is my last day in the company's truck. Yeah, I said it. The company's truck. Today is my last day in the company's truck. Today I will be walking out of the 2016 Volvo truck, okay? You know, as a trucker and as a Jamaican and as someone that's been driving over in Canada over 4 years and stuff, I think I learned a lot in the past 4 years. You know, I've been studying, you know, I've been putting all my work together to make sure I get this right? My plan is to get my own truck. So now I'm leaving the company's truck and I'm planning on buying my own truck, which is a used truck. So that is a, you know, a little risk. But I'm gonna buy my own truck and I'm gonna do my own thing. So now I'm gonna have my own company, and you know it's TriStars Trucking, of course. And that's the good news. I didn't tell you what's the good news. That's the good news. The good news is I'm going in my own truck, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me to go and buy that truck. You know what I mean? But today is my last day in the company's truck, and we have a bit of touring to do. You know, we'll go checking out some trucks, and we're gonna do our thing now. You know what I mean? I think I did a lot. You know what I mean? 4 years is really a good stretch to know what you want, or to you know, to continue on your journey, or to, you know, make a next step forward. Or by now you should know what is next to do. You know what I mean? You know, you have to uplift yourself. You can't be at one level all day of life. You have to make a step, make a risk, do something. You know what I mean? To go to that next level, to see. Because remember, you know, it's not everything you try is gonna work, right? You won't know if it's gonna work until you try, and that's lesson number one. You know what I mean? And the greatest thing about this thing is you're not changing, you're not switching your field. Like, you're not going in something new that you don't know anything about. You're going in something that you already been in, something that you should know enough, because I already work it out. You know what I mean? Already ask around. I know sometimes asking information is not the best thing when you want to do something on your own, and you're asking someone that not doing it, or someone that think they know what's going on, why they didn't do it. You know what I mean? Well, you gotta ask the question, because some will give you good information, some will don't. Some will, you know, encourage you not to do it, and some will tell you what the you know, it's gonna be costly, it's gonna be, you know, not something worthwhile to do. And when I look into that, I said to myself, I've been driving trucks for companies. Anything that happen out on the road, we know, you know what I mean, because it's a tool that we are using. You know, most of it all have to do with how you're driving. You know what I mean? And I know every time I come in with the truck go in the shop, and I'm the one that be in that truck like for 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then when I come in, it go get the necessary stuff done to it, and then that 2 days, because that's, you know, 2 days I'm in and then I'm out again. So I'm not saying it's not much. When it come in, it does, but one thing for sure, it's out there for 3 weeks making money, right? It's not gonna be easy, and I know this, but risk is something that TriStars will take, and always, sometimes it works though. You know what I mean? The thing is this, I always tell people, opportunity don't come to you. You know what I mean? Opportunity is there, and it's up to you to take, or it's up to you to make use of the opportunity. So the opportunity will come, but if you don't make use of it, it won't make sense. You know what I mean? You will see the opportunity and be like, should I? Or, you know, but until you make the move, then you will know it's an opportunity. You know what I mean? But it will come and you'll be like, what's that? You gotta make the move. So cut it short, I'm gonna make this step, and I'm not gonna say I know everything, but I know one thing for sure. The truck is expensive in cost, yeah, but the truck pay me, pay the company, and pay the maintenance, whosoever is maintaining it. So in other words, the truck is doing his work, so you gotta do some work on the truck, and that's for sure. So you can't expect to buy the truck and don't do any work whatsoever. You know what I mean? So they say buying a used truck is not the same as buying a used car. I agree, but it's not everyone buy a used car the same way, or it's not everyone buy a used truck the same way. In other words, I'm gonna do the same thing as how I buy a used car with this used truck, because there's a lot of people that don't do a lot of stuff when they buy a used car, and I'm different, right? So like I said, thanks for tuning in, and that is my update. You know, you guys wasn't seeing me for a while, but I have to let you guys know that I'm moving out of my company's truck, and I'm gonna show you. Well, I packed most of the stuff already. Get it? Switching truck is one of the hardest things because you're buying the stuff little by little and you're putting them inside the truck. When it's time for you to get out, you're wondering where so much things come from. Oh man, I'm inside the truck maybe an hour, 2-3 hours now, trying to get stuff out. Every time I turn and I make a trip, it's like stuff is still inside the truck. I'm like, really now? You know what I mean? But TriStars checking in, and thanks for tuning in. And you know, all of my subscribers them with the year, I telling them, stay tuned, you know, because we're gonna look at truck and now we're gonna do we thing in our own truck. You know what I mean? So these are gonna be TriStars. We can't even pronounce my own name. TriStars trucking. You know what I mean? So now I'm not going out there to look for a expensive truck, and I'm not going out there to look for a truck to model in. I'm not looking for a truck to look good in. You know what I mean? I'm looking for a truck to work. I'm all about the money. You have two type of people that buy a truck. You have people that want to make money, and you have people that just love truck. So the ones that love truck buy the truck for the look and, you know, the engine and the speed and, you know, color, all type of stuff. But I just buy one truck. I just one truck for one thing: business. If I'm going for looks, I'll buy that in a car. But if I'm going for work, I'll buy what work. You know what I mean? So my budget is not out there for the big top boys. You know, I'm gonna stick anywhere between a Freightliner or a Volvo, but I'm not so interested in a Freightliner. I work for 3 companies. I drive 2 Freightliners already. Well, not 2, well, maybe 4 Freightliners, 4 different Freightliners, and I drive 1 Volvo, and I've been in these trucks for more than a year. So I love to ask questions, and I am the driver, so I try to understand what goes wrong, what go on, what happened. You know, I try to understand everything, especially in the winter, because that's when the trucks show their true colors, in the winter, when it's very cold. In the summer, it's all good with all trucks, but when it comes to winter, it's a whole different story. So you got to put all these things in play, and at the end of the day, it all boils down to the engine, right? What type of engine, how much miles, kilo and miles is on the truck. You know, you gotta get all of those stuff right so that you can know what you're working with and how to take care of a truck. You know what I mean? Because it's a used truck, so you gotta deal with it like a used truck. You know, it's not new anymore, so you gotta drive it like a used truck. You know what I mean? You gotta take care of it like a used truck. You know what I mean? It's not strong and like, you know, brand new, so you got to deal with it with caution. And you guys are here, and you guys will leave comments. I know you guys will leave comments and, you know, try to advise me and tell me what's going on. I will read them, I will respond. But I'm here, and you know, it's gonna be a lot of fun. And last but not least, I am, like I said, I'm gonna end this truck today is my last day inside the truck. I'm gonna go by the office. I already sent in my resignation already for 2 weeks. I gave them 2 weeks. My 2 weeks is up now, and I'm getting out. You know what I mean? I'm not at the company as yet. I'm taking out the stuff at my house because there's a lot of stuff. I couldn't put all these stuff in my car. So I take them out, and I'm taking them inside. And you know, they're gonna miss me. You know, they keep calling me, asking if I'm sure. You know, like I said, at the end of the day, you have to know what you want, right? Just always leave with on good terms. So just in case of anything, you can always return, right? But you have to make the move. If you don't make that move, like my friend said, if you don't have the ticket, the lotto ticket, you don't have the chance to win, right? So if you want to make money, or if you want to be somewhere in life, if you don't make that move, you will not go anywhere, right? So that's my step. And like I said, I'm in the field already, so I don't think I'm really starting off wrong. We will know. You guys will be here, and we will keep in touch. We will have new updates. But we are going to look at that truck, and you guys are gonna fall in place and send in comments, and we are gonna, you know, go far away with this. You know, that's it for now. So it's gonna be more videos like this coming out. You know, I'm gonna talk to my peeps. I'm gonna try to answer more. Well, I answer all comments. As anyone can see, there's no comments that I don't answer. I make sure I check. I answer all comments, and I answer all emails. I got tons of emails because people they like sending email more than comments. I don't know why, but I got tons of emails, and I answer emails also. Yeah, that's it for now, and I didn't show you guys inside as yet, so I'm gonna, well, it's all a mess, but it's no problem. But TriStars tuning out, and you know, take another look inside the Volvo. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. You know what I mean? So take another look inside the Volvo. I didn't take my TV down. It's a good thing. The TV is still there. Yeah, well, I take everything off the top bunk there. Everything is clean out from here. Everything is taped down. See my camera bags and stuff. They are last. I soon take them out. See there, everything. You know, I didn't screw down the TV. I'm gonna screw it down. Yeah, so this is it basically. I don't like to say last day, but this is my final day in the company's truck, and I'm gonna miss it. But like I said, you gotta do something if you want something to work, right? 5 stars. Peace. Yeah, YouTube. So right now this is all that come out of the truck right now. In the truck, all type of like is what things come out of the truck. Look at small truck there. Yeah man. And more stuff there behind them because you can see how you pile up. You know what I mean? Yeah, so basically we have make some more thing from out of the hallway. So basically you know, yeah. So that's it. Bail out all of the stuff them from out of the truck, you know? Yeah. Yeah, inside of the truck. Alright, I took out my GPS. Basically, these are all the stuff that we leave. Need to come out of the truck now. We don't take out them pan there. Basically, my camera bag and, you know, but actually, I eat this YouTube. I'm actually out. And I cover the empty. Not in there. Not the fridge empty. You know. Yeah, so this is it until we meet again the next time. Like I said, I have more stuff coming. You know what I mean? You know, this is Troy moving out of the company's truck, and this is how we end this video, this vlog for the day. I actually kind of feel tired, you know. I don't know why. I actually feel tired. You know, I go inside. You know, no, I need to carry the truck go to the office. No, I'm not finished yet, man. I'm not finished vlog yet. I carry the truck go to the office. That leave to go. So that next coming up. Yeah, so this is it. So basically, you know, you're leaving on good terms, right? No accident. You know, you didn't no incident. You know, same way you get the truck, the same way you leave it. You know what I mean? Because by the end of the day, you're going out to look another job or you're going out to do anything on your own. You still need recommendation, right? So you gotta leave in good terms. You gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I mean? And like I said, just a little quick preview to your inside the truck well clean, you know, before we leave it, isn't it? Yeah. So this is it. This is the company phone. So I carry teen. It's my last the work that I'm gonna do since, you know, the canal trip. So, you know, this is inside of the truck. I'm gonna leave it. The briefcase, you know, we get that along with the truck with a lot of stuff in it, you know. So basically, it is, you know, well clean. You know what I mean? Nothing at all. I'm gonna leave back in there. You know, no scratch, no nothing. You know. Yeah, so basically this is it. Yeah, so as you can see, clean, you know what I mean? You maybe cleaner than how me get it, but like I said, you leave on good terms. Take me a while to get the truck clean because I mean, like I said, you know, you buy little small stuff until when it's time to go, then you realize you got so much things in the truck to take out, right? Yeah, this is it, and you've been here with me all the way, YouTube, and we have more to go. So peace and good night. Thanks.